All right, welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to use the render option in Fusion 360. So what that allows you to do is to take a pretty simple shape or whatever design you're working on and turn it into something that looks really nice inside the render mode by just adding some material. Okay, so let's have a look. Head to Fusion 360. So here's my model. This is almost the default kind of gray color setting that you normally see, right? So this is what you would normally get, right? So the way to, it's actually really simple to render. Up here in the top left, it says design. So what you want to do is click and go down to where it says render. As you can see, render generates realistic renderings of the design. So you click on that render, and then inside here, there's a couple of tools up in this toolbar. So you can click on the appearance, and then what this lets you do is you've got all these different options for, let me slide it over a bit. So you've got all these different options for types of materials you can input into the model. So you can paint it a glossy color, click on them, and it gives you all these different colors. You can use glass, the same thing for that cup project. So you can use the glass here. I liked, for this one, I don't know why I like this aluminum and anodized glossy. So the way it works is up here you make sure that you're selected on the bodies. You can play around with the faces too if you want, but you can select the bodies. Click and drag over the material and drop it onto your model. You can also do the same thing by dragging and dropping over here into the browser, or again just drag and drop into the model. I like that glossy one. So I can close this as soon as that appearance is done, and then over here up in this tools I excuse me, also have the option to change the background. So I could change the background to a solid color, say okay, make it black. They have certain types of environments that you can change it. I just like the solid color, and I actually like the way the white looks. So I'm just going to apply that, say okay, it looks good. You can play around too and see if there's other colors that you like, but like I said, I think the white's the best one for me. All right, close it. And now that you've got this, it looks cool. I think it looks pretty slick. So now all you got to do is take a screenshot. You can save it at capture image as a PNG, or just really simply you can do the Shift Command 4, screenshot it, and then you can throw it into your guide as a project or as a photograph along with all the other ones. Okay, so that's it. Pretty simple. Render is that tool, and you can do that for all your projects. It does carry a little bit of weight and it slows down the program, but it really makes them look really nice. So I would suggest doing that. All right, see you next time.